What's going on, guys? RC5 Betaflight 4 dropped today, maybe about 11 hours ago. Got home from work, has the absolute control, default settings, stuff like that all changed around. Immediately flashed it because this has been driving me crazy to my Revolt Source 1 build that I have here, and also my Mr. Steve build. This is running like a Tempest F4. So this is a 5S 2207 2450 build, and this is a 6S 1250 and then 1750 kV. So man, I don't know which one I want to show you first, but let's just go for it. Ironically enough, I've been working on the tune from the Mr. Steve since like Betaflight 4 dev builds first came up. And just for the heck of it, I'm like, this thing is flying so good, because that's what the one I flashed first. I'm just going to take all my diff and put it on the Revolt build and see how it goes. And as you're going to see, it went just as good.